Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you. It's the Abus 7230. I picked this up because I did a video on another lock, the Abus 8045, and Red Cat Imaging commented that it had the same kind of core retention deal inside. Instead of being a screw, it was a pin, and I'd never seen this lock anyway, so I went ahead and picked it up. That's the bedding on it. It's got that Abus keyway, you know, with the Abus supposedly wrote out in there. I can't really see it that much, but then again, I can't see much of nothing. We're gonna see what's inside it if we get it open, which we should. It's not a terrible bidding, and it's one of these little locks, so we'll go back here and start poking around, or rooting around as they say. See what we can find for pins that give us any kind of feedback. Yeah. It's hard getting on them. It's like they must be really small or something. There that is. That's an open. It's not that tough. Oh yeah. Let me do something here. Of course, you know we gotta use my toy. See what. Oh, it's already open. Okay. Great. If it's got that kind of a pin in it, I don't know if we can see in there. I don't think we can. Let's see if I can. Quit. The thing's so small, my hands can't hardly work it. Should be up. Quit turning on me. Is that it? Let's push on the key. See if we can. I don't know. I can't see down in there, so I'm kind of guesstimating on this too. Should be against this wall. I felt it move down further. Did that do anything? Oh, I think it did. I think we got it out. Yeah, we did. Okay. Yeah, it does have that same tension, same thing. Good, everything's in my way, so I think we're a great big here. I don't know. That's good enough. We'll get that off of there. Throw that over there. We'll fix that later. Whatever. Hopefully, I have got a follower to fit this. I should. Wow. What is going on here? That is tight. Can I get by it on the side here? Yeah. Why am I not being able to get up on it? Huh. Is there a set pin somewhere? I don't know. Did I miss something here? Are you kidding? All right. That doesn't fit that. Nope. What do we got here? I don't know. I really don't know how to get into this right now, guys. Hate to say that. Maybe I should have watched somebody else do it before I did this video. So, what is going on? And my lighting's not really good, so I'm gonna have to be back. All right. Catch you later. All right, here we go. Figured it out. The hole in the side gives you access to the pin that holds it in place. And you got to push that pin up and at the same time turn the key this way. That way you can get a shim in it, because now you're holding that pin up. It's already pre-drilled for you, but you better have a pin handy. Now where's my, there we go, there's my follower. Well, let's see. Oops. Uh-oh. We gotta stop here somehow. Oh, it seems to be moving. Is my shim too big? Or am I... No? Follower worked. Why wouldn't it go through that way? I don't know. Okay, yeah, it has that groove for that pin to follow. So you have to get that thing up out of the way. There's all your pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they all look standard, so we're going to wrap this up real quick. Like I said, if you haven't gone over to Red Cat Imaging, you need to get over there. Check that guy out. He's pretty awesome. We'll go start with 1. I'm going to do them this way, guys. We're just going to get this out and done. All right. So, wow, those are interesting. Yeah. Get these in play here. Try to be real. Almost looks like they're hollow backed. I don't know. Come on. All right. You go over there then. We'll discuss this later. Me and you, Pin, and Spring. Look, trade places. Okay. Man, these are tiny. But yeah, that they all look standard. Let me get some tweezers here. But in the back here, oh come on, focus. Let's Get up here and see if we can get a photo. Oh, now you're not. You gotta. Are you kidding me? You're not gonna do that? But that looks that's set in. There's a hollowed out. They're hollowed out little pins here. So yeah, if you can see that, that's what we got. I'm trying to get the light right. And every one of those little pins on the top are kind of hollowed out like that, and it's all standard pins. So yeah, that's what's in it. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay legal and have fun. Bye.